Alright guys, we're here at Cabinets Quick, talking about the LED Hafele lighting system. So we're gonna start with the stepping blocks of how the system works. So the first element of the system is the power block. And the power block is designed around a 24 volt system, and the ribbon is also 24 volts. So there's three different sizes here. There's a fourth size available that we're not showing, but these three sizes will generally handle most every application. So there is a 20 watt block, a 60 watt block, and a 90 watt block. And what that means is there's 90 watts of power available to light this LED. And the way the math works is for every 1 foot of LED lighting, this particular LED light will use 1.5 watts of power. So a 20 watt block will light, let's say 15 feet. A 60 block, without doing the math, will light, let's say 30 feet. And a 90 will technically light 60 feet of lighting. Now you don't want to use the full capacity of the block, so if 90 watts divided by 1.5 watts of lighting equals 60 feet, you generally want to ratchet back a few feet and maybe install 58 feet. The reason of that is the system isn't designed to go to full capacity. You want to leave some breathing room. The blocks also come with the cable to plug in, and this is a standard cable. Within the Hafele book, there is a plug that goes sideways down for narrower applications. And on the next video, we'll start showing the next parts of it, which are the distribution blocks and how everything starts plugging. So we'll see you in the next video.